Hello, Northwest art students. So this week, instead of just telling you that I miss you and I love you, we're going to do a little experimenting and practicing of our cutting skills. So hopefully somewhere in your house, if you go digging and looking, you can find yourself a pair of scissors that your parents agree you're allowed to use, and in a safe space where you're not going to cut something that gets yourself or Miss Russ into any sort of trouble, because we don't need trouble. So let's dive in. This experiment I actually first learned as a kid when I was really little. There was this show called Mr. Wizard on Saturday mornings, and I loved this one. Like, I became obsessed. So you're going to need some type of paper. It can be any type of paper. It can be paper that you tear out of a magazine that you have permission to use, newspaper, typing paper, any sort of paper will do as long as you have permission to use it. I am going to use a bright colored paper and a Sharpie because I want you to be able to see what I am doing, but you're going to not want a Sharpie or not want any really nice paper because we might mess up the first time, so you want stuff that you can practice a lot with. Okay, let's tilt you down and get started. So, all right, you can see me. Okay, on your paper, you're going to take it in the long way. You are going to fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half. And then with the folded side, you are going to take a pencil and you are going to draw a line and you are going to go up, 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 up. Stop! Do not go all the way to the edge. And then you're going to go to the other side and you're going to go up, 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 up. Stop. Do not go all the way to the edge. Okay, once you've done that, then you're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut on that line. Now remember, I'm on the folded side and then I have to stop when I get there. So chomping on down. Then I have to go to the other side and I'm going to chomp on down. Now you might be like, Miss Russ, what are we making? I decided I wanted it to be a secret. So we're going to open this up. I thought it might be more fun, more mysterious. And then this is the hard part. Okay, what did I just do? I was here and then I opened it up. And now I am going to cut on that fold. Not these two bits. Okay, not here. No and no. Okay. Oh, it looks like on if you look at it reversed. Oh, Miss Russ, that's tricky. And I'm going to cut on that line. And I'm going to be very careful to not cut on the fold. Okay, so now I have this and I have this. Now if you're like, oh no, Miss Russ, mine doesn't look like that. Guess what? No big deal. That's why we use practice paper. Just go get another paper, rewind this video, and try again. Okay, but if yours looks like mine, this is attached, but these are open like little windows, then you're going to refold it in half. Okay, so what I do there, it was like this, and then I refolded it in half. Okay, now I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to do one cut, but I'm going to go, stop. Okay, so I'm stopping. Then I'm going to go a little ways, and I'm going to do another cut. Go, stop. Then I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go, stop. Okay, so I was on the folded side that I now cut, and I stopped before I got to the edge. Now I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to twist it. And now I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go in between the cut here and the line here, but I am going to stop before I get to the end. Now remember, we're in practice paper, so if something goes wrong, no big deal. Get yourself a new paper. And I'm going to cut, but look, I'm going to stop. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to cut. Stop. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to cut. Stop. And then here, cut, cut, cut. Stop. Oh, Miss Russ, what on earth have you had us make? Well, guess what? This is the exciting part. Okay, so we're going to take what I made. Miss Russ, what is this? We're going to open it up. And then what we should have is a ginormous ring. Oh, now, Miss Russ, what's this all about? Look, I can fit through my ring if I squeeze it in. Your goal is to see, can you make a ring that you can fit through? And then, if you can make a ring you can fit through, then it gets really interesting because you can use this process. Oh, I gotta get out of my ring. And you can do it to make super, super big rings. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do a super, super big ring. Not the whole thing, but just a little teeny bits. Okay, so let's tilt back down. Okay, oh, there we go. Okay, so the trick to making super big rings is same process. You take this and you fold it in half the long way. Same process, you make this line and you stop. Make this line and you stop. Same process, you cut on this line and you cut on this line and then you open it up and you cut on this line, but not that, because that would open our ring. We don't want to open our ring. So be very careful. Okay, now we fold it back together. Okay, if you remember the last time, we did 3 lines here. You can do more lines than that. You can even get yourself, like I'm using this coloring book, you can even get yourself a book and you can draw out the lines. Now remember, you gotta stop your lines. So you can draw out your lines, right? And then remember, you do all the lines this way, you have to flip it around this way and do lines this way. So it gets really hard. You really, really have to practice your scissor skills because it's really easy when you're holding the paper. It's super easy to accidentally get off your line, which you might be wondering to yourself, Miss Russ, why are you having us do this? How is this connected to art? Well, because look at all the practicing. Our hands, an artist needs hand muscles. And so all of this cutting it's kind of like lifting weights for our hands. We're making our hands super, super strong. Okay. And then if you keep going, when you get all done, we're going to have a contest to see how big a ring you can make. So right now, here is the record to beat. Miss Russ made a ring. Look at that. Ta-da! I cannot quite stand up in my ring, but I can totally fit into my ring. Whoa. So obviously the bigger the paper and the more cuts, like the stronger your ring. So I want you to make as big a ring as you can, and then I want you to take a picture and upload it to Padlet if your parents give you permission. With that, happy learning as always, art students. I love you and I miss you. Enjoy creating your paper rings. Bye.